Although the definition of fashion keeps changing, it ultimately boils down to a very simple concept. It's about comfort and creativity. The comfort depends upon various factors. Those factors include physiological, psychological, and physical balance among the person. Scientifically speaking, comfort is a balanced heat exchange between the human body, the clothing, and the environment. In other words, it is a state of mind at its lowest stress level. Similarly, the creativity in fashion is its presentation and effectiveness. When we buy clothes, we look out for its beauty, colors, design, etc. This is essential for us to feel civilized. Seeking the blend of the aspects of comfort and creativity gets difficult sometimes. Today, this blend is found in a piece of clothing from the Victorian era, a corset. A corset is a support garment commonly worn to hold and train the torso into a desired shape. The old school of thought imposed the idea that corsets are organ-crushing, faint-inducing, waist-straining, etc. Today, the new corsets are not like the ones used to achieve an ideal body type. They are more bustier, casual, and extremely comfortable. The long pandemic also got people accustomed to being in comfortable clothing. That's where these modern corsets came into the picture. The modern-day versions do a great job at sculpting the silhouette without constricting the body. A corset is perfect post-pandemic. A comfortable piece of garment that has started making the rounds in fashion magazines. Let's see how corset tops are the hottest going out essentials. Corset tops, the hottest outdoorsy choice. Online content. The garment was recently brought back into discussion by Netflix's popular show Bridgerton. It is a show based in the Victorian era of England, and the wardrobe and costume really made an impact on the young generation. Adding to that, Gen Z stars from pop sensations such as Olivia Rodrigo to actors like Ananya Pandey and Janhvi Kapoor have been spotted wearing corsets. This led to the boom in sales, and it soon became a new trend. Stylish and poised. A corset is a top that will enhance the silhouette of your body, which endorses a more charming and poised twist to a person's look. Also, celebrities like Megan Fox, Dakota Johnson, Deepika Padukone have shown us different ways to pair a corset perfectly. They are also available in different vibrant colors. You can pair it with leather pants, a pair of baggy jeans, or a top of shirts, a matching mini skirt, even shorts, etc. This makes the possibility endless. Minimalistic. The best attribute of a corset top is that it is minimalistic. It has a sense of cool teen party dressing with a tinge of college rebellion. It also has a strong vibe of the 90s fashion that's stubbornly sticking around. Bright colors, edgy prints, metallic finishes can be worn as a top, shrug, or a mere accessory to enhance your look. It is not about having to mix and match too many things to make a look. That's the beauty of these modern corsets. It's about feeling empowered, confident, and having a whole lot of fun. Whether you're looking for a classic vintage silhouette or a more laid-back modern-day version, there's a version for everybody. Needless to say, this is the time to start getting on this trend.